Okay, so we're going to connect these wires. This is again from the 12 volt DC plugs I've put behind the driver's seat. One for the freezer, one for the refrigerator. And that wiring is going to go back all the way to the distribution panel, which will be up on the board higher up there. We've also got the wiring ready to do for the junction boxes here. I'll get that stuff, hopefully, if not tonight, then by tomorrow. Get on that. We'll get this panel put in place. And then we've got to work on running the wiring for the DC to DC alternator charging system, which I'm decided I'm going to have to run underneath the van. So that'll be the next couple of days. So I'll just crimp the one end of the butt connectors to this first DC 12 volt DC plug. Now I'm going to crimp these two wires for their butt connectors, and we'll need to strip these each and connect them. I'm taking about, I guess, not quite 3/8 off the end here, but we'll see. Let's see if we can get this shrink done. Okay, so we're starting next day, starting on the wiring of these outlets. Again, the bottom will be for shore power backup only. Top will be the main one for a couple of appliances. And then we've got the, we've already got the 12 volt DC plugs over here beneath the driver's seat. Those are for the fridge and the freezer. So, getting started.